Do you remember your first ever job? Well, I do. And I remember I used to spend almost all of my paycheck on unnecessary things and eating out. I was also very overwhelmed during this time because I wanted to be able to have money so that I can pay for my school, so I can pay for my car, and other bills that I had. However, I didn't really know how to budget and I didn't understand how it can benefit me. So, in a way, I was more stressed out while I was working than when I wasn't working. And this is a common problem for many Americans. In fact, 61% live paycheck to paycheck, and this causes their savings to drop. And it's also noted that 13% have spent more than what they earned in the past 6 months. So, considering these financial problems, it's essential to create and maintain a budget so that you can alleviate these financial pressures for not only yourself, but for your family and for your community, which will all benefit in the end. In my experience, whenever I've had to take out loans or pay my credit card and do taxes, this causes me to start a budget. And I have read and researched about budgeting and certain factors that influence it to certain extents. So I want to share what I have learned. So today I will speak about how to create and maintain a budget and explain the various factors that influence budgeting and savings, and also discuss changes in spending habits and behaviors as a result of budgeting. So let's start with the basic components of a budget. To create a budget, you want to first set your goals, and then you want to identify your income and expenses, and then you want to subtract your expenses from your income and find a budgeting tool that works best for you. You want to go ahead and design your budget, and then you want to make any needed adjustments along the way if you need to. According to the Federal Student Aid website, budgeting helps you increase your financial literacy and your financial gains. It helps you achieve your financial and academic goals, whether it be short-term goals, middle-term goals, or long-term goals. And it also improves your credit, and it keeps you away from developing any bad debt like credit card debt or auto loans. Essentially, a budget is going to help you make the best use of your money and allocate every dollar, as well as it's something that you can do for your whole life if you want, because it will always benefit you in the end. Now that we have discussed the principles and steps of a budget, let's explain what influences a budget. Having high financial knowledge will change people's attitudes towards their finance and budgeting and saving intentions. Budgeting is influenced by many factors, including your financial literacy, your past debt frequency, the level of negative emotions associated with your financial funds, your income, and factors like that. So, according to a research paper by Blair Kidwell and Robert Teresi published in the Journal of Economic Psychology, there are certain money management tendencies and intentions and attitudes that affect the ability to handle a budget. They created two models, one for budgeting intention and one for budgeting attitudes, and they found factors that influence budgeting. And they also stated intervention messages that can help one with their budgeting as well. So these factors and these intervention strategies will hopefully stimulate proper budgeting tendencies so that you can avoid any debt and you can avoid negative money management tendencies. So considering all of this, how can a budget influence your spending and saving behavior? Well, it helps you plan and save and control your expenses. And this is essential, especially in a time of inflation and high consumer spending. According to the new reality check, Paycheck to Paycheck report, living paycheck to paycheck is the most common financial lifestyle for high-income consumers. And like I said before, it causes their savings to drop and it affects their ability to handle any future emergency expenses or foreseen payments. Budgeting is essentially going to create a money spending plan that will make challenging spending decisions easier. So to wrap up my speech, I would just like to point that creating a budget is essential for reducing financial stress and increasing in achieving your financial goals. And there are certain money management tendencies as well as intentions and attitudes that will play a significant role in your ability to maintain a budget. And budgeting has a positive effect on your overall finances and spending habits. I hope that you realize the value of budgeting, because for me, it's helped me go from someone who used to live paycheck to paycheck to a more financially literate and goal-oriented person. Applying these budgeting concepts will allow you to be and do whatever you want. Thank you.